Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can record a GIF with Sharex. So what you can do, you can press here Ctrl Shift Print Screen. It's a shortcut for this. So if it doesn't work, you can go here to the menu at the top to the capture, and then you will see here screen recording GIF. So let's say for example this one here. Let's select it. Now you will have the option of, as you can see, you will have the option of recording your screen. So let's do it again, that you will see. So now if I move the mouse right here, how I stop this recording, simply just Ctrl Shift and print screen is the same thing, or you can stop it right here, just like that. Now these GIFs can become very large very quickly, so to keep them shareable, let's go here to the task settings, open up, and then screen recorder, and here you will in the video encoder, screen recording option, and then in video encoder you will select GIF. Then you can adjust FPS to around 10 to 15. So this will significantly reduce the file size without making it look too choppy. And yeah, you can select here dithering mode or also palette mode. And yeah, this is basically how you can record a GIF. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.